I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. If you're interested, stay tuned. I'm starting with an old twist out, and I do have a video on this look if you'd like to see how I achieved it. First, I'm going to start off by taking the hair that will be left out at the end, and I'm going to pin that up so it'll be out of the way. Next, I'm going to part my hair, starting from the front and going around to the back. Then I'm going to take the curls edge control and put it on the front of the twist and the back of the twist. So it will not only help to lay it down, but it'll also add shine at the very beginning of the twist. Then I'm going to take my Mielle organic hair milk, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my hair. Then I take the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil and I use this to seal in the moisture. After moisturizing and sealing in that moisture, I'm going to begin to flat twist. Now, the reason I'm doing this style is because I am starting to suffer from postpartum shedding from having my baby. So you will see a lot of shed hair. And also, my edges are starting to leave. They're getting mighty thin, but I do have a remedy that you'll see later on to try to help fight against it. But I know it's hormonal, so there's no stopping it. But if I can start the process to try to get them back, that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to continue doing the twist all the way up. And if you notice, I only use the comb for the start of the twist, and that's just for a cleaner look in the front. But at the end, you'll see in the back, it doesn't have to be straight, straight. So if you can't see in the back or if you can't get it super straight, it's fine. And here I'm taking the Smooth and Shine Edge Control, and it does have tea tree oil in it. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth that on my edges because I can feel the tingle, and I feel like that tea tree oil kind of helps stimulate around my edges so that hopefully I can get some more growth or my edges can come back in that area. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take the very popular Jamaican black castor oil, the extra dark, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth that on as well, not only just on my edges, but throughout my twists. And I'm going to do this every day in hopes that it will also start to promote the healthy growth in those areas and throughout my hair, just because I know it's shedding more than just on my edges. Now I'm going to begin to take bobby pins and just pin up the twist ends. Next, I'm taking out the clips that I put in the beginning. I'm going to fluff out my hair, and I'm also going to take the time to pin up my hair with other bobby pins until I get my desired look. One trick that I do love is taking a bobby pin and pinning it right down at the base of your hair if you want your hair to fall in your face more. And it's not only for length, but it's if your hair was pinned up too long and it's not laying down straight, it's an easier way to get it to lay down. But here is my end result. So you can see the full hairstyle. And if you want to keep it simple, you can just add like a simple earring and some lip gloss and go out and enjoy the rest of your day. But for those who want to be like a little more dramatic, you can add a big earring and a lipstick and add a little more fun to the look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on turning a twist out into a whole new style. And thanks for watching.